So if you look closely on your screen right now, you will see how much that has been made from this particular strategy that I'm about to share with you guys right on this video. And this is the chart right here. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can actually make your first money online with the help of Google. Yes, with the help of Google Trend, you can make your first money online. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can go about it for you to start making money online without stress. And before I get started, I want to let you guys know that this is not a Ponzi scheme. In fact, detach yourself from everything that has to do with Ponzi scheme, because I've been a victim before, and trust me, it's not funny, guys. And I don't want any of you to be a victim of Ponzi scheme. So that's why I say detach from Ponzi scheme. But everything I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video is a step-by-step guide of which you can make your first money online with the help of Google. Now, before I get started, I would like to first of all welcome you all to my channel, Markkings Student Blog, a home of so many opportunities, both money-making opportunities and academic opportunities. So if you're just coming across our channel for the first time, please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new viewer who is just coming across our channel for the first time. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's get started with the video. The first thing you need to do is to head onto your browser and then type Google Trend like I'm doing right now, and then log on to the main website like I'm also doing right now. So once you head onto the main website, this is actually the main website, then you type the menu icon in the top left corner of the website and then click on the trending now right there. So once you click on the trending now, this is actually what you're going to be seeing right on the website. Now these are the list of the trending topics out there as at when I did this video. So if you look at these trending topics, you can see the search volume, you can see how long it has been trending, which is 2 hours ago, some of them are 20 hours ago, 19 hours ago. Now we're going to be picking one of the trending topics in the list of this trending topic right here. So we're going to be choosing from those ones that has a lot of search volume, so which is 5k search volume, Nnamdi Kanu DF 5k search volume. So we're going to be choosing Nnamdi Kanu as a topic. It's what is trending in Nigeria right now, and you can see the person right there. And after that, we're going to be scrolling down a little bit to find a possible news that made this man to be trending. So this is actually one of the news that I found out. I've clicked right here, so you can see there, terrorism charges, Justice moves Nnamdi Kanu's trials to DSS headquarters. So this is actually the news that made this man to be trending out there. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to copy the link of this particular news. But before then, I want you guys to have in mind that before copying any link of any trending news, you need to make sure that the website that you are copying it from is actually a legit website that share legit information to the general public. Now it's actually time for us to copy this link. So once you copy it, the next thing you're going to do is to open another page in our browser and then log on to ChatGPT. So you click on ChatGPT right here and then open it. So the next thing you're going to do is to use the link that we copied from the other website and then use it to create a prompt that will generate us a viral script for our voiceover here on ChatGPT. So now let's continue. So right now we're going to be using that link to create a viral script by telling ChatGPT to use that particular link to create a viral voiceover script that we are going to be using for a YouTube video. Understand? So that's what I'm inputting right now. So after that, I will click on this arrow to enter it on ChatGPT for you to create it immediately. So ChatGPT has already created this script right now. The script I was talking about, ChatGPT is done creating it. So the next thing on the line is to copy the script, because you're going to be using it in the next step right there. So we need to copy it right now. So once we copy it, the next thing you're going to do is to create another new page on our browser once again, and then head on to 11 Labs and then log on to the main website where we're going to be creating our voiceover with the voiceover script we just got now. Yeah, but first of all, we need to register on this website. In case you don't know what 11 Labs is, 11 Labs is a platform where you can actually generate a voiceover with AI that sounds like human voiceover. So that's it. So moving on to what we are doing, I'm going to be using my Gmail account to register on this website as you are seeing right now. So I've automatically registered on this website. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to paste the script that I just generated from ChatGPT, so that I can be able to generate a voiceover using this particular platform right here. So pasting the script right here, then I will click on generate speech. So once I click on this generate speech right now that you are seeing there, once I click on the tab, so it will generate a voiceover for me immediately, as fast and as soon as possible. So guys, the voiceover is done generating right now. So this is actually the two voiceovers that was generated for me. So I'm going to be playing one right now so that you guys will hear what I generated.
All right, folks, there's something huge happening in Nigeria right now, and you need to know about it. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is in the middle of a trial that could change everything. After years of back and forth in the courts, this trial...
So guys, that audio you just heard right now is actually the voiceover that I just generated right now, and the voiceover is pretty cool, and you can hear it. You know what I'm talking about. It's almost like a human voice, so you can't even differentiate between a human voice and this particular AI voiceover. Alternatively, you can use your natural voice to do your voiceover, or you can use other free AI voice generator too, such as the Play HD and Speechify and the rest. So it's pretty cool. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to download the voiceover immediately before I proceed to the next thing that I'm supposed to be doing right on this video. So now that I've downloaded the voiceover, the next thing on my list is to start looking for videos and images that I'm going to be using to create a video that will match the voiceover that we just generated for our viral YouTube video. So moving on, the next thing I'm going to do is to head on back to the website, which will copy their link and then copy the title of that particular article and then use it to find a suitable video that we are going to be using right for our viral YouTube video. So there are only few platforms where you can actually source for videos and pictures you're going to be using to create this video. So the first platform is YouTube. So all you need to do is to paste that title that we just copied right from that platform right on your YouTube search. Then once you click on the search, it will give you all the videos that is related to the kind of video that you are searching for. So before you proceed in downloading any video that you like, that you think that will fit into the kind of video that you want to use, just make sure that the video has a Creative Commons attribution so that you won't get any copyright strike whenever you're done editing the video and uploading it on YouTube back again. Now I'm actually going to be getting one or two videos from this platform. Now the second platform where you can actually source for images and videos which you can actually use for the same purpose is TikTok. And just like the YouTube platform, all you need to do is to log on to your TikTok account and then pasting the same title like I did right on the YouTube search bar, and then look out for the videos that I actually need, then download all of them one after the other. So once I'm done selecting and downloading all the videos that I need from the various sources just mentioned in this video, including Google, Creative Commons, then I will proceed to the next step, which is arranging them. So first of all, before we continue with this video, I would like to let you guys know how this method I'm about to share with you guys in this video works. Now, how it works is very simple. So first off, you need to know what's trending online. So how do you know what's trending online? With the help of Google Trend. So Google Trend helps you identify what topic is trending online and what people are talking about online. So once you know what people are talking about online, you use AI to generate a trending news about what is actually trending online, the reality of what is trending online. Then once you generate it, the next thing is to create and edit a video that will match what is actually trending online. So once you create a video on it, then the next thing is for you to post it on YouTube. So we repeat this process until we get monetized on YouTube, and once we get monetized, we start making money as soon as possible. So that's how it works. Now let's continue with what we are doing. So in case you don't know how to download a video from TikTok, all you need to do is head on to your TikTok account, find the videos that you need, copy their link one after the other, like I'm doing right now. Just copy the link of all the videos that you need, like I'm doing right now, copying the ones that I need. So once you're done copying the links, the next thing you're going to do is to head on back to your browser and then search for TikTok video downloader. So there are a couple of TikTok videos downloaders out there, but this is actually the one I love using. So you paste the TikTok link that you just copied for the video and then click on download video to download your video, as easy as it is. So you can actually download in HD or in SD, whichever one that you want. So you can repeat it for all the links that you copied right from the TikTok platform. So after that, then we are done with this step. So the next thing we're going to be doing after this is to visit our video editor app, where we're going to be editing and compiling those video and voiceover together. So in doing this, you can actually use any of the video editor at your disposal. You don't need any special video editor in doing this. But for me, I'm going to be using the InShot mobile video editor app because that's the only app I love using when I'm not editing on PC. So heading on to the InShot app. So this is actually the InShot app right here. So I'll click on create new and then new project. And after that, I will proceed to importing all those videos and images that I actually downloaded online that I'm going to be using for this particular video. So I'll import all of them one after the other, including the images. So let me continue. So as I'm importing these videos and images right here on this InShot app, I also want you guys to have in mind that there is no significant order to importing and arranging the video. All you need to do is to like have a little editing knowledge so that you can be able to arrange it in such a way that anybody that watches it will comfortably watch it to the end without having to skip any part of the video. So that's the importance of arranging your video very well. So I've successfully imported those images and video. Now the next thing on the line is to import the voiceover that we just created recently. So you can see the 11 last voiceover. I will click on import it right away. I will click on use tab. So I've actually imported the voiceover right now. So the next thing on the line after this is for me to start arranging the video and then removing the sound that I don't need, and then also removing some images and video, cutting out some of the part that I don't need right now. And like I pointed out earlier in this video, you don't need any special arrangement order. Just do the things that you need to do on your video so that your video can be engaging enough for people to watch it to the end, because that is one of the things that matters on YouTube. If people are not watching your videos to the end, YouTube can't recommend it to other people watching it. So everything you're going to be doing right here is just editing your video to your taste so that people can actually find it engaging enough to start watching it from the beginning to the end. So once I'm done doing the editing right now, which is I'm almost done, but once I'm done doing the editing, the next thing I'm going to be doing right here is to export what I edited to my mobile device. So this is what I'm actually doing right now. I'll be clicking on the exporting button and then click on save to start exporting the video immediately. Now let me show you guys the end result of everything we actually did on this video.
Alright folks, there's something huge happening in Nigeria right now, and you need to know about it. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is in the middle of a trial that could change everything. After years of back and forth in the courts, this trial just took a massive turn. On June 13, 2025, the judge, Justice James Omotosho, made a surprising decision. Kanu's trial is being moved from Abuja to the DSS headquarters. Now why move it? Well, the court wants to inspect some serious evidence. Apparently, there's a shipping container that Kanu allegedly used to smuggle a radio transmitter into Nigeria. This was supposedly for Radio Biafra, the controversial broadcast that's been at the center of all this drama. These broadcasts are what the Nigerian government calls incitement. They say it's all about fueling violence and pushing for secession. For many, though, Kanu is seen as a freedom fighter, and these broadcasts are a call for independence. This move to the DSS headquarters, it's a big deal. It shows just how serious the charges are. It's like the government is gearing up for a huge fight in the courtroom. But here's the thing. Kanu's supporters aren't backing down. They argue that he's being persecuted for standing up for the Biafran people. For them, it's all about political repression and silencing dissent. On the flip side, the Nigerian government says Kanu's actions are a real threat to the nation's unity and stability. They're painting him as a terrorist who's using violence to break up the country. So, what's the truth here? Is Kanu a hero, fighting for freedom, or is he a threat, stirring up violence and division? The world is watching closely, and the stakes have never been higher. Hit that subscribe button for the latest updates on this high-stakes trial, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Is Nnamdi Kanu a hero, or a threat to Nigeria's future? I want to hear your thoughts. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this trial unfolds. This isn't just about a court case. It's a battle that could shape the future of an entire nation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage. See you next time.
So that video you just watched now is the video that we actually created through the process I just shared with you right on this video. And if you follow this process up to this moment, you can see how easy it is for you to create a video for yourself. And the kind of video that you're going to basically be creating using this process is known as entertainment and news outlet videos. So this kind of videos is what you post on YouTube. Once you get monetized, you start making money as soon as possible. And now this kind of videos is usually short. And as someone who's running this kind of channel, you need to be posting consistently because there are a lot of trending news and gist and entertainment out there. So you need to be posting regularly so that you can actually make a lot of money from your channel. And in case you haven't started or created any channel for yourself, you can check out these two of my videos that can actually help you and guide you create a channel and then do the right setting for you to start getting views and subscribers once you post your videos on it. So Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one. So thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.